Today's all about celebrating the partnership between HelloFresh and social farms and gardens in an initiative to inspire the local community to get out into their community grown spaces.
HelloFresh gardens offer members of the public the opportunity to grow their own fruit and veg in open spaces like this and to access seasonal products and recipes.
Growing your own fruit and vegetables helps us to reduce our carbon footprint. And for me, little things like composting and understanding how best to use food waste helps us to be a lot more sustainable with our food choices. And also it helps stop us impulse buying at the supermarket. We can use things like vegetable clippings and leftover fruit and veg. Instead of sending that to landfill, it can be used to mature the next set of vegetables that you're thinking of growing. Well, I don't know about you, but being in the garden has great physical benefits, but also being in a community setting, being social and being outdoors in nature has great mental health benefits as well.
Spaces like this mean that locals can learn how to grow their own fruit and vegetables and work towards a better, more sustainable future.